Hello, this is Rui Caldera, and I'm here to show you Morse Code 3D and showing off the Makey Makey and how it works. So, you know that this game works through Morse Code, so I'm going to simulate Morse Code by tapping. First, let me grab this. By making the connection and tapping the rock. So, as you can see, when I tap the rock, I'll try to do it loudly. Yep, there we go. I tapped it twice and it showed up with an I there. So let's see if we can make a proper letter. Let's see here. So let's try to make the letter G. Since it's on this screen right now, it will show up on that screen. So let's see. We got the letter G. There we go. And this is also a sneak preview of what the multiplayer looks like, the online multiplayer. Alright, thank you, and on to the rest. Hello, I am Rui Caldera, and this is Viniac, and we're here to present to you our game, which is Morse Code 3D.
Okay, so our old idea was GTA. It was called GTA W Hero. You would have been a welder put into ridiculous situations where you must use your welding expertise to solve the problem at hand. It was meant to be played using a VR headset. You would be put into multiple levels with different ridiculous scenarios. The moving around the environment itself would have been a design pillar for us. And the reason we decided to change our ideas was because uh, unfortunately, due to COVID-19, we couldn't get access to the VR headsets, so we couldn't possibly test our game. That's why we decided to come up with a new idea, essentially.
Yep, so new idea is Morse Code 3D, which is what we're showing you. Technology used, we use a Makey Makey to simulate making Morse code in real life, as when we tap a rock with a spoon and that generates Morse code in itself. Two players playing online, one being the helper, the other being the prisoner. They must both communicate with each other exclusively through Morse code in the game. The helper has the information the prisoner needs to solve the puzzles, and receive their messages will have them translated. The difficulty comes in sending the messages.
Okay, so the development process, we had to make sure the core mechanic of the Morse code worked and that people understood it while using it with Makey Makey. Designing the puzzles and what information the prisoner and the helper would each have to help the other one. We had to make sure the information that was being sent over through Morse code was short and to the point. Getting online to work, first using Mirror, but then using Photon instead. We also had to make sure that the puzzles that we had coded into the game would work whilst using the photon. So like it worked on both the prisoner's end and it also worked on the helper's end.
Yep, so the puzzle that we are just showing you is that the helper has the coordinates, which is like A1, B3, and he must communicate that to the prisoner through Morse code so the prisoner can click the buttons.